Houston, are you ready for this one? I'm outside 1330 Old Spanish Trail, Unit 4108. I'm excited to give you a special tour of this beautiful condo. Let me show you around. Located in the gated subdivision of City Plaza sits this first floor, 2-bedroom condo. This community includes a private pool, grilling area, gym, and 24-hour manned security. As you walk through the front door, you are welcomed by hardwood floors that lead you to the living, kitchen, and dining areas. The updated kitchen features stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, while the dining areas highlights the beautiful crown molding and chandelier. The spacious living room is the center of the home with plenty of space to lounge. And there's a door that leads to the patio area, which includes a storage closet. The patio is a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The primary bedroom features large windows and has a huge walk-in closet, while the secondary bedroom features a walk-in closet and a ceiling fan. The bathroom features dual sinks, granite countertops, and a shower and tub combination with subway tile. The true heart of this home is its location. You are minutes away from NRG Stadium, the Med Center, the Museum District, downtown, and some of Houston's best dining and shopping. City Plaza is next door to the brand new Sprouts Market. With quick access to major freeways, this is an ideal spot to call home. This condo really has everything you could ever need. You have to see it for yourself. Let us show you why 1330 Old Spanish Trail, Unit 4108 is your next home.